Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to turn your personal Facebook account into a page or a professional account. So as you can see right here, I'm currently inside my personal account. What you want to do right now is make sure your account is not locked in. And then click on the three dots right there. Look for the one that says turn on professional mode. If I click on this one, basically click on turn on right there and wait for it to process. There's a limit here, by the way, you need to have at least 5,000 followers. Now for this one, and click on Start Exploring or click on Done. If I click on Start Exploring right there, it will take me on Professional Mode Guide. Basically, you can grow your origins, become a creator, get discovered, or go to profile. Now, once you have successfully converted your account to a professional dashboard, there are some things you need to check here. So going back on your account right there, click on Home, going back on your account, like so, right? And with this one right here, you want to go here and click on Settings. Let's look for settings right there. I think it should be here. There we have it. So click on the settings right there, and we'll be arriving on this platform. First thing you want to do right now is going to be people who follow you. If you don't want to check who's following you manually, just basically type it here. Right there, I'm going to type in following, or basically people. Right here, and it will give me some options. So people you may know, people find contacts for you, how people find you. Basically, make sure these are public because we're trying to make a professional public background. This one right here, you can check if it's friends of friends or everyone. Make it public right there and you'll be good to go. Alright? And basically, that's it. You have successfully created from your personal account to a professional dashboard or basically a page. So have fun with it. And basically, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.